Here is a room tour of the Polynesian studios. We have room 2926.
One of our favorite points about the Polynesian studios is the fact that it has 2 bathrooms. So you have storage under the sink, similar to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Very roomy bathroom. The one point is, though, this does not have a jacuzzi tub like at Animal Kingdom Lodge, but kind of makes up for it in the second bathroom.
We fight about this bathroom every morning because the rain shower. This shower is the reason why we put a rain shower in our bathroom when we remodel our bathroom. Because of the shower.
With the trench drain. Storage under the sink. And then it has a small kitchen area. You get coffee, toaster, mini fridge, microwave. And I believe it also does come with dishes. They also had this at Animal Kingdom Lodge as well, but if you like Joffrey's coffee, they have some of that for you, and also some different types of tea. Dylan's already relaxing in our studio room. So this studio does sleep 5. The couch he's sitting on sleeps 2. And then over here is the pull down bed. With Lilo and Stitch. And I love how they add that little kind of night light. I'm sure there's a way you can turn that off as well. Looks like over there. The corner. And it's bedtime. This is the coveted lamp everyone tries to find. I've heard they do sell them at the gift shop, but we did not see them this time. And this,
oh, you got a view of Magic Kingdom. I mean, of Space Mountain.
and you hear the boats.
TTC. Oh, you can see temporary Cali Grill. May light in the distance.
As we were checking out our room, we found out there's a sneaky storage area, which will come in very handy if you do have 5 people in this room. And then also on the night table, they do have the power similar to Animal Kingdom right in the nightstand.
USB and then 2 outlets.
So, some additional things. There is no washer and dryer in the studios. So there is one down kind of in, not the lobby area of each hotel, but centrally located that you can use. They do provide this storage space as well with your bed and linen for the 5th bed, and then some clothes hangers, ironing, and then your safe. Dylan was also playing with the room, and he found an extra secret storage space.
Storage.
Fairly large. You can probably put some of your souvenirs in it, as long as you remember to take them. Slow close.